Hello, pulpit. It's 6:30. Quarantine coping number 28. 28 days in a row. And this is where chicks ride free. Those kind of chicks. So we are going to give you a quicker video than most of our kitchen garden. I thought maybe we could show them inside the second lettuce box and then show them how you cut off the first lettuce box, and then we'll get right into planting. So, quarantine coping. If you're watching this on YouTube and you hear me rattle off people's names, it's because it's a live broadcast coming to you, live from Back 40 Farms. Take a little education, distraction, entertainment, jinx, entertainment, a little humor when she's funny. And so that's what we do during this time of craziness that the world is offering us. So let's take a quick look over here at the very first lettuce box. We'll do the first one here. We've already trimmed a ton off of here. Good night. Did you take any off of that?
Yeah, lots. A whole big bowl full.
Oh, that's right. Lisa posted a huge bowl of lettuce. I don't know if it was Instagram or Facebook or both, but
it was just Facebook.
And it's already grown back like that. It's crazy. Hopefully you guys have done that.
Had a nice taco salad with.
Oh, that's right. You did, didn't you? We have our bodyguard, our salad bodyguard. And this was the second one.
That we just planted.
We had
a week ago.
Yeah, a couple weeks maybe. Look how much water was in there. All natural watering, so they're starting to come up. Some of them take a little bit longer, but it's looking pretty good. Might need to dump some of that water in there, huh? Hey, Quinn, Tana, Glenn. Yeah. Is it pretty moist?
Yeah.
Okay.
Could use maybe just a hair.
So if you didn't watch the video on how to make this lettuce box, do it because it's so easy. All right, let's get over here. This is our kitchen garden. Obviously, we don't have our rock down and making it all pretty yet, but it has nice blue earrings. All right, sorry.
Those hoops are for row covers if we need them.
Row covers if we need them. So Lisa's going to explain what she's going to plant.
So today I'm going to plant some bunching onions. I started these in the greenhouse. Oh my gosh. I don't know, February. Sometime in February, I think.
Come here, Luna.
And I'm just going to put them in this little shallow box because they aren't going to grow into great big onions. They're just little bunching onions, like green onions. So they're going to go in here. Super easy. I got my little plugs that I soil blocked myself. And they're just gonna
Hey, Tana said she just did a bunch of container gardening this weekend.
Oh, nice.
If you want to know what... Luna, come here. Luna, come here. Quit barking. I'm being an Italian greyhound. No. You behave. Sorry, guys. Wow. Can't turn around very fast. You get stuff planted quickly.
By the way,
we planted a Chihuahua, and look how he grows.
By the way, we transplanted down in the greenhouse today over 100 herb containers. So we've got 4 kinds of basil, we've got marjoram, we've got, hey, get over there. We've got some other stuff. Anyway, just a whole bunch. I'm going to have lots of extras, so if anybody wants any, we will have that coming up for sale before too long. It's a little too cold to put it outside yet, so I probably won't put it out.
Supervisor Romeo, Tana said.
Until it's a little closer to planting time for outside, but we also have tomatoes going that are ridiculous.
Tomatoes are like out of control. Way out of control. Look how beautiful Heather. Look how beautiful Lisa's hair is. Oren, where's Snickerdoodle? We don't know. He's on the lamb. Oh, he's over by the front of the house. We'll go see if I can track him down. All right, so we also did a video on Quarantine Coping on how we built these and how we laid out the watering system. So they're all, we just turn it on and it magically waters. Magically. So
I'm also going to do my bigger onions in some barrels like I did the potatoes. So that will be something that I'm going to be doing here in the next few days as well.
all right, so you've planted, these are like little baby onions. Look at those roots right here. If you don't see those roots, you know that you're rootless in Seattle, if you're in Seattle. Romeo, is that onion okay for you? Hey, Heather, Carlene. All right, so let's stop with that. And basically, we're going to continue. How many do you think we're going to get in here?
Well, I've got about between 50 and 60 plugs to plant. So.
50 or 60. Okay. Now,
And in this box, I'm going to put some spinach.
can I interrupt you for 1 second? I don't know how old this bench is, but when we moved in, it was underneath those trees. Maybe it's 5 years old, but I think it's a lot older. Look, it has a little baby. Carlene says, hi, guys.
Hi, Carlene.
Little baby birdhouses. This one
Needs a little repair.
This one needs a little love. Oh, I'm going to also, right now, I'm going to put out another challenge. If we can, I'm even going to lower the standards. If we can get 750 views of this video by tomorrow at midnight, I will have Lisa shave my head. So if you want to see Lisa shave my head, look at her, she's all happy. If you want to see that, you need to share. Tell everybody you can to, hey, I got a nice close-up of your knee. Yeah. A mohawk. If 750 views of this video, and Lisa will shave my hair. Not like, as I mentioned yesterday, not totally bald, like with a razor, but like I got in boot camp. So if you would like to see a cue ball, 750 views of this video by tomorrow at midnight. So, Tana's already sharing it.
Why is this off?
What? I don't know. Plant something in here.
I'm going to, but I need to spray these and it's not coming in. But everything's on.
Can we water them after?
It's just really dry.
This is a live broadcast, girlfriend. Well, I don't think the spigot's on. Here, let me go show you why live feeds are difficult sometimes. This is a huge tree that we took out, elderberry bush. Lisa wasn't sure why. You guys, where's baby Snicker? Okay, everybody wants to know about Snickerdoodle. Let's find out where he's at. Snickers! Is Snicker up with you, Dan? Oh, there's Snicker. We're doing a live video, and everybody wants to know where Snickers is at. Hi, sweetie. You're popular. Come on. Hold on, let me try this. There, Heather and Owie. Look how great he's running and getting around. Sorry for this horrible film drop, guys. You want to say hi to everybody? I got to see his mom and brother today, the one that rejected him. I was just out at our sister farm, Front 20 Farms. Got to see them, and I will say that he is the cutest. Oh, look at that. He's ready to eat. I don't have a nipple on the side of my body, but okay, everybody's got to see Snicker now. Hi, sweet boy. Yes, he's still staying in the house for some unknown reason. Some unknown reason. I wonder what reason that could be. What do you know what reason that could be? I don't know.
No idea.
Yeah.
So this here is spinach. You can see it's already big enough to eat as if it was baby spinach.
Yeah, baby spinach.
So we might pick some of that off and make something with some spinach pretty soon, but we can also let it grow to full size. This one is called Tundra. This one is called Red Kitten. I'm not going to put it all in this box, but I'm going to do some of it in here. So
Yeah, just do a couple and then we'll let everybody go.
this is in a different kind of tray, so it's going to be a little harder.
Snickers is going to help.
Excuse me?
Snickers, you can't...
No.
Heather said Mom's hair looks cute.
Aw,
That's what I said earlier. How pretty the color is.
so again, I started these in the greenhouse.
Hey, Snicks, off.
Not as long ago as the onions, because spinach is pretty fast to germinate.
So what would happen if it froze again? Would these all die or are they cold?
No, everything I'm putting out right now is cold hardy crops. We did the broccoli and the cabbages in the big garden in this last week.
Hey, Kim and Tim McNitt, the funniest man on Facebook.
And all these spinach, I'll be putting in I'll be direct seeding some carrots and some beets and some radishes are already in over there.
Hey, he wants some spinach. You can't have that, Snicks.
Well, I can see why.
You're not quite... well, he wants some onions. Look at that. We put up these actually to keep the chickens out, but now that all of our chickens are secure, apparently we need it for Snicks. Yes, Snicker is just one of the gang now.
Yep.
Last night in the house, which we never let him in, he was going up and down the dog stairs up to the couch. Oh, that was too rich. All right, so maybe we'll come back in a week or so and kind of just check the status of it. But come on over here so we can not be blinded by the light. Blinded by the light. You don't want to sing it with me?
No.
She doesn't want to sing it with me. Hello, Blossom. So, we are here every night at 6:30 to educate, entertain, distraction, just something different, something fun, hopefully.
Just get you out of your house for a minute.
Yeah.
Onto the farm.
Yeah, and you don't even have to get your hands dirty, which is the best part.
I
Ooh,
do.
you would not even think about putting that on my face. I know you would.
Oh, I hadn't even thought about it. Now you said
Oh, really?
it. Yeah.
I dare you.
No.
I triple dog dare you. How many want? Yeah, everyone's going, do it, Lisa. Skylar was singing with us. Oh. Anywho, rambling aside, just a final reminder, 750 views on this video by tomorrow at midnight. I will allow Lisa to shave my head. All you got to do is share it.
Could be fun.
Could be fun. Well, for you. Oh, how about 1,500 and we get to shave Lisa's head?
No.
Come on.
No.
Oh, I like that better. All right.
That'd be
750 views. Share with everybody if you really want to see me cringe and lose my lose my beautiful flow. Is that what they call it now? Flow? Like I got a sick
really
flow?
Have flow. It's not long enough for that.
She said I didn't have flow. That is horrible. All right, so have a wonderful rest of your night. We will be back here tomorrow at what time?
6:30.
What time zone?
Mountain.
Oh, honey, we're in Idaho. Yes, Mountain Standard Time. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Tell somebody that you haven't spoken with in a long time how much you care for them and how much you love them. Have a great night, guys.
Happy Sunday.
God bless.